Hi guys, thank you for joining me. I'm Dr. Amanda Gigler from Guinea Animal and Avian Clinic, and today I have with me Kova, who is a 6-year-old Peruvian guinea pig, and we thought we'd show you how to do a guinea pig nail trim. It's part of our nail trim series, and where we show how to do different pets' nails. So to start, you'll notice I'm on the floor with him. These guys don't like to be picked up very well, and so I like to keep him as low as possible. It makes him feel more comfortable. And then the other thing that I like to keep in mind is that I like to stay as low as possible so that if he happens to get away from me, he doesn't have very far to go and I don't have to worry about him getting hurt. So the way I typically will do these guys, especially if I'm doing it by myself, you can have a helper, which is a lot easier, but if you don't have a helper, you can do it yourself, and I usually do it this way. So I usually position him with his back to me and in my lap, and then I kind of squeeze up my legs a little bit so that he feels nice and secure, and then I can see his feet right in front of me, and then I can maneuver the nail trimmers. So I'm using cat nail trimmers that are pretty small, and they allow me to use them like scissors, so I have a little bit more control. The big dog ones or even the small dog ones can sometimes be bulky and hard to put it right where you want it. And now we're gonna zoom in a little bit so you guys can see more what I'm doing as I'm trimming those nails.
Okay, so now we have a close-up view of our guinea pig foot here, and this is his front foot. His nails are a little curvy. He's always been that way. So you can see that about 2/3 of his nail is pink, and then we have this little white tip right here that I'm accenting with my nail here. That's what we're going to take off. The pink part is the quick, that's a vessel, and we don't want to trim into that or that'll hurt and it'll bleed for him. So I just have him kind of held up against my side here. There he is peeking. And we're just going to take just a little bit off of that nail. And then again, we're aiming for right in front of that quick. And sometimes I try to start a little further away. That way I can always move closer, but then I don't have to worry about going too close too fast. And just like that. And then again, take that little white spot off, and then again, just that white tip. All right, and so that's what we should be left with. So just a tiny bit of white with mostly pink, and then we'll want to do that about every 4 to 6 weeks for these guys.
And that's how you trim a guinea pig's nails. So we hope that you learned something today and hope this was helpful. Thank you again for joining us. And stay tuned. We'll be posting more videos, and we'll definitely have some more nail trim tutorials with a dog and a cat, maybe even a bird and a rabbit. So stay tuned. Thank you so much. Bye.